Hello dear followers, I am Manny and welcome to my channel Manny's English. Please don't forget to follow my channel to learn English for free. Today we are going to continue our lesson on the present simple tense. But remember that the first session of this lesson was about the use of the present simple tense, which answer to the question, when do we use the present simple tense? So this second session of our lesson on the present simple tense will answer to the question, how do we recognize the present simple tense to refer to the form? To the question, how do we recognize the present simple tense to refer to the form? To answer this question, take us to explore notions such as A. Personal pronouns, B. Infinitive with to and infinitive without to, C. Auxiliary verbs, D. Positive statement or affirmative statement, negative statement. Question form. Negative question. To recognize the present simple tense is very simple. Let's take the 6 personal pronouns. In English, we have 3 personal pronouns in the singular and 3 personal pronouns in the plural. I, you, he, she, and it are singular. We, you, and they are plural. But he and she in the third person of singular are for person. Especially he is for male and she is for female. It is for animals and objects. So to conjugate to the present simple tense is very easy. You just use the personal pronoun plus the verb without to. And when it comes to the third person of singular, we just use the infinitive of the verb without to plus x at the end of the verb. Let's take the example of these 4 verbs. 1 to work, 2 to say, 3 to study, and 4 to wash. I, we, you, and they, we say work, say, study, and wash. If you remember, we use the personal pronoun plus the verb, the infinitive of the verb without to. Here are the infinitive of the verb with to. Here we don't use the infinitive we use the infinitive without to. We say when it comes to the third person of singular, we use the infinitive of the verb plus s. So he, we say he, she, and it works, says, studies, and washes. For these 2, they have rules, where we are going to see these rules later. So continue to follow this channel. Be careful. Here we don't say says, we say he says, she says, and it says. Pay attention to this, not he says or she says. Here is the form of the present simple tense, but not all the English verbs are conjugated in this way. There are exceptions, such as two auxiliaries, to be and to have. In the present simple, we say I am, he, she, it is, we are, you are, and they are. to have, we say I have, he, she, it, us, we have, you have, and they have.